Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to figure out if AMD stock is really about to explode. AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices, is a key player in the semiconductor industry, designing and manufacturing microprocessors, graphics processing units, and other semiconductor products. They've been around for decades, and their products power a wide range of applications, from gaming consoles to data center servers. With a strong portfolio of products and a growing presence in the market, AMD is definitely a company to keep an eye on. The semiconductor industry is super competitive, and AMD faces challenges from all sides. One of their main rivals is Intel, which has long been the dominant player in the CPU market. AMD also faces stiff competition from NVIDIA, which is a leader in the GPU market. These companies are constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with semiconductor technology, which means AMD needs to stay on its toes to remain competitive. AMD has had its fair share of struggles over the years, including periods of financial difficulty and declining market share. However, the company has been working hard to turn things around, investing heavily in research and development and expanding its product portfolio. This has included the launch of new CPU and GPU architectures, as well as strategic acquisitions to enhance its capabilities. Despite these efforts, AMD still faces significant challenges in the market, and its stock price has been known to be quite volatile. However, for investors who are willing to take on some risk, AMD stock could potentially offer significant rewards. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market trends will be crucial in determining its future success. Recent developments have been looking good for AMD, with the company announcing a number of new product launches and partnerships. Their latest generation of CPUs and GPUs has been well received by the market, and they're gaining traction in key areas like data center and gaming. Additionally, AMD has been making progress in terms of market share, slowly but surely taking ground from their competitors. Market trends are also looking favorable for AMD, with the growing demand for high-performance computing and artificial intelligence driving the need for more powerful and efficient semiconductor products. AMD is well positioned to benefit from these trends, with a strong portfolio of products that are well suited to meet the needs of these emerging markets. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows for AMD. The company still faces significant competition from Intel and NVIDIA, and there are concerns about the impact of global trade tensions on the semiconductor industry. The company needs to continue to innovate and execute on its product roadmap in order to stay ahead of the competition. One thing that's been catching my attention lately is AMD's upcoming product launches, which could have a big impact on their stock price. Let's talk about some recent news that might just signify a potential breakthrough for AMD stock. Their latest earnings report showed some impressive numbers, with revenue up significantly year over year. Analysts are taking notice, with several recent upgrades to their stock rating. Another interesting development is the growing optimism around AMD's data center business, which is a major growth area for the company. With more and more companies moving their workloads to the cloud, AMD's data center-focused products are in high demand. There are also some exciting rumors swirling around a potential new partnership for AMD, which could help them expand their reach into new markets. All these factors combined could indeed contribute to a significant surge in AMD's stock price. So what are the key takeaways here? AMD is a company with a rich history, a strong portfolio of products, and a growing presence in key markets. If you're wondering whether AMD stock is about to explode, the answer is that it's definitely possible. We've covered a lot of ground, from their competitive challenges to their recent product launches and market trends. So what do you think? Will AMD stock explode in the near future? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about tech stocks, be sure to check out my previous videos for more insights and analysis.